Do not give up on your Rhino project if you see this error. It is very common. So what I do is go to options and then click on file, and then you will see over here there is this auto save section. You just click on these three dots and you just copy this. You can just right click and copy, and then you go into your Windows, search for this and just paste that extension, and just now you will see this folder with all the backup files which were created at every 5 minutes. When I was working on the file, it was created every 5 minutes, and now you can just open any of this file which got crashed and you will get the latest version. And if at all you want that is also not the latest one, you just go to desktop and you will see a crash bump file. You can open that and check it. And what I like to do is create a new folder. Okay, so you go to new, copy, and new as a shortcut, and you can save this address or as a folder, and you can save it as a Rhino folder shortcut. And now whenever the Rhino crashes, you just double click on this, you have the location of all the backup files. Okay, make sure in your options Rhino is default settings is set to 5 minutes autosave. That is much better than having 10 minutes, which is the default version. And if you like this tutorial, please do share with your friends, save it so that you can use it whenever your Rhino crashes. Thank you so much.